So we're here at Eimer Engineering and we got the Mercedes back from the paint just a couple days ago. So now we're getting everything back together, reassemble. Eimer just put the engine and the trans last night. Right now he's working on getting the radiator situated, and Chris Marion is actually painting inside because we didn't get paint inside, just the outside. So we have to do paint on the inside. Noise. So we got 2 weeks to finish because we gotta have an event. Honestly, it's pretty last minute. A couple days ago, the car was just the white body. Now we're getting everything back together. So it's not the hard part because Eimer already mocked up everything prior, so he just needs to put back everything together. So it's pretty much bolt-on stuff. But I'm worried about more like detailed stuff, because some stuff we still not getting the parts yet. This car is like over 30 years old, so it's really hard to find the parts, just the stock stuff. Chris Marion, sometimes he has to get the parts from Asia or Middle East, and yeah, it's pretty hard. Alright, so I'm gonna get back to work. So wish us luck. Alright. So we got 4 days to Town 14 capsule event where we're gonna launch the car. So things are pretty tight, but we just put KW suspension on it, and we got Titan 7 wheels with the new Falcon tire RT660, and then also we got this spare car kind of came across, and luckily we gained a lot of the parts that we needed, like all the detail stuff, trims, stuff like that. So we're adding on to our car. Again, 4 days are pretty tight, like really tight, but I'm pretty sure we can make it happen. So just want to make sure we're gonna get the car 100% ready by the event.
We're here at Period Correct for the Turn 14 event. It's been a crazy 4 or 5 weeks. We've got 2 rounds of Formula D that we did in the middle of that, and building this car, Thanksgiving. So it was a lot of dedication time that we all kind of did to wrap this vehicle up. That started out as a kind of dirt ball car that we had in the backyard kicking around into what you see behind us now. The body kit is done by a company called Hedgehog out of Thailand. There isn't a lot of aftermarket support for this car, so finding parts was really difficult. So it's been quite an interesting build, and a lot of thought and resources were pulled, and it feels great to have the car done. I'm exhausted. I know Dai, Chris, all of us that worked on the car, we're excited it's done. I want to go to take a nap now.
So this build was made for Turn 14 distribution, and it was supposed to debut at SEMA 2020, but it's got canceled. So now we're here at Period Correct. It's really, really nice venues. I'm super happy to be here. I started driving for fun, but now I'm driving for living. But I want to build something I can just enjoy. I'm not gonna compete with this car, but I would like to go to the track and just have a good time. So this car has a 2.3 motor to begin with, but it was not running condition when I get the car. But we were thinking how can we make the car work without spending too much money? So we came up with S2000 AP2 motor, which isn't too cheap, but it's a lot cheaper than the Mercedes motor to rebuild. I just want to thank all my sponsors who helped us to build this such a great car. And I just can't wait to show you guys what the car can do at the track.